I'm Beck and food's my life. In today's video, I'm making some healthy little bliss balls that actually taste great. And it's coming right up. So bliss balls are really trendy at the moment and they're a great idea for when you're trying to eat healthy, but come maybe 3 p.m. in the afternoon, you need a little bit of a boost. So bliss balls do just that, give you a little bit of a protein boost and a little bit of a sweet kick. The problem is though, and I don't know about you, but a lot of the bliss balls that I've tried just don't taste good. For me, it's all about flavor. Yes, I want to eat right, but it still needs to have a decent flavor. So I have come across a few bliss ball recipes I'm going to share with you over a series of videos, but today I'm going to share my Choc-Peanut Bliss Ball. It's a simple recipe that I find just tastes fantastic. For this recipe, you're going to need about 16 pitted medjool dates. I've got 3/4 cup of raw almonds. I have 2 tablespoons of crunchy peanut butter. You can use smooth peanut butter. And don't forget to use a good quality peanut butter that has all natural ingredients. I have a very generous tablespoon of cocoa powder. And I'm also going to throw in a dash of vanilla extract as well. So the first step is to throw in all your ingredients except your almonds. Not the almonds yet. So we're going to go in with the dates, in with our peanut butter, our cocoa, and a splash of that vanilla. Okay, now I'm using my Thermomix, but of course you can use your food processor. It does the same thing. So we're going to give this a really thorough little mix until it comes together like a sticky paste. Okay, that's lovely. I've got a really thick, pasty, chocolatey coloured mixture in here, and that's exactly what I want. Now we're going to add our 3/4 cup of almonds. And this time we're going to pulse. So just pulse, because the reason we pulse is because then you can control how chunky you want your almonds to be. So I like a little bit of a crunch in my almonds, but it's completely up to you. Oh, that's looking like it's nearly done. And that should be about right. Awesome. Okay, so now what you need to do is you need to check the consistency of your bliss ball. Make sure that you know the mixture will be able to be rolled into balls easily. And if that's the case, you're ready to roll. Literally ready to roll. It's funny. If by any chance your mixture is too dry, then at this stage you could always add maybe a tablespoon of honey or maple syrup just to give it that little bit of moisture to make it that right consistency. So play it by ear. So let's get rolling.